Dubbed with Elevenlabs. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, download a video from TikTok that is not in English, as this will be the example used for the tutorial. Once you have the video, open your browser and go to the website elevenlabs.io. On the homepage, sign up using your Google account to quickly create an account. After successfully logging in, locate and click the dubbing menu in the dashboard. From there, select the option labeled Create New Dub to start a new project. Set the project name and type example dub video. Next, select the language spoken in the video as the source language to ensure the tool can correctly recognize the original speech. After that, set English as the target language, upload the video file you downloaded earlier, and confirm the upload. Once it is ready, adjust the number of speakers and the time range to dub. Then click Create Dub to begin the dubbing process. When the system finishes, open the project and press play to preview the dub video. Click the download button to save it.